In this tutorial, we'll learn how to perform a geospatial analysis in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Geospatial analysis helps business users visualize data by location to discover regional patterns, trends, relationships, and correlations. In this workbook, I have a dataset with location-based attributes and measures. To build a geospatial analysis, I need data points that are related to real-world locations, like country, city names, or even coordinates. I'll multi-select country name as the attribute from the countries folder and the quantity sold measure from the sales folder. Then I'll right-click to pick visualization and select map. A map visualization appears on the canvas with a legend categorizing quantities sold with a color gradient. In Properties, I can go to the map pane to turn on zoom control so I can explore specific regions. I'll add a layer for customer cities by clicking the grammar pane, then Layer Options and Add Data Layer. Now I'll drag customer city and put it under Location in the grammar pane, along with amount sold in the color panel. I'll go to the Layer tab in Properties and adjust the size of the customer city layer dots to 7 to improve legibility. In this tutorial, we've successfully created a geospatial analysis with a map visualization in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.